Okay, so I'm making Charsi Karahi today. I've used 3 tomatoes of this size, 3 Turkish chillies sliced, 1.5 tablespoons of coarse pepper, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1.5 tablespoons of coriander seeds, and 1.5 tablespoons cumin seeds, dry roasted and pounded, 1.5 tablespoons of garlic and ginger, with half a cup of lukewarm water. So that's all in here. I'm using 1 chicken, baby chicken, cut into 8 pieces. So these are my ingredients. Okay, so let's make Charsi Karahi today. I've got 1 baby chicken cut into small pieces or medium size. I've got half a cup of oil, and I'm gonna just fry for a few seconds or minutes, say call it 2 minutes. Until it's changing its color, then we're gonna add ginger and garlic, 1.5 tablespoons of each in half a cup of lukewarm water, and I'm gonna add that to it and then cook it in that water, ginger garlic water. For this now, I'm gonna add garlic and ginger water. That's 1.5 tablespoons of garlic, 1.5 tablespoons of ginger in half a cup of lukewarm water, and I'm gonna cook my chicken in that water now. Cover it so it's kind of, cooks nicely. Right, it's been cooking in this garlic and ginger water for at least 3 minutes now. You can see it's bubbling away. At this stage, I'm going to add tomatoes. I've used 3 tomatoes. I've left the skin on. Some people don't like the skin, so you can remove the skin. People do it differently. I've just chopped it, and I find it easier to chop it. Some people leave it as whole, do an incision at the top, leave it to steam, and then take the skin off. Some people do it in the microwave. I don't mind the skin, so I've left the skin on, but most people don't prefer the skin, so you can take the skin off as well. There are 2-3 ways of doing it. So let's cook it in tomatoes for another 3-4 minutes. Okay, so it has been cooking for good 3-4 minutes now. As you can see, the tomatoes have now softened. At this stage, I can add other ingredients. So I'm gonna add my roasted cumin and coriander seeds. They were table and a half each, dry roasted and then pounded. You do things in stages when you're cooking Charsi Karahi, and then leave it for another maybe a minute or so for next ingredients to infuse with chicken. I'm going to cover it. It's been cooking for a minute. I can already smell really nice cumin and coriander seeds. The dry roasted smell is absolutely good. Now it's time to add more ingredients. So 1.5 tablespoons of black pepper, which is coarse black pepper. Then I'm using salt to taste, and I'm using 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. You can use more. Sometimes I've used baby mirch as well, but sometimes I don't use chili flakes at all. It's really down to the mood. If I'm in the mood of having very, very spicy Charsi Karahi. Okay, so as you can see, this is looking very good. What I'm going to do is at this stage, I'm also going to add the sliced green chilies. And I'm going to add literally half a cup of water to it and then leave it to cook for about 15 minutes. And we'll check the progress. At this stage, if you think there is not enough oil, you can add more oil to it. Some people like it with more oil. Looking at this, I can see that, you know, there is not enough oil because it's not like showing on the sides and stuff. So I can add more oil to it, a tiny bit of more oil. So I've used half a cup, maybe another tablespoon of it. I'm gonna add half a cup of water. I didn't want to waste that spices from my pesca mortar, so I've used that to rinse, and then I've used half a cup of water. I'm going to leave it to cook now, and then once it's properly cooked, I'm going to add some lemon juice and fresh chopped coriander. So I'll see you in 15-20 minutes. Alright, let's check the progress. It's been cooking for 15 minutes. And as you can see, oil has started to separate. That's when you know it's coming to its final stages. So, time for the last two ingredients to go in. Again, it's to your liking how much gravy you like. I like it a bit more gravy. My family likes it like this, like tiny bit of gravy, so that, you know, because the gravy is the best part. Chicken can be very dry sometimes. So yeah, I can cook it for another couple of minutes like this. Then I'm going to add my final ingredients and leave it on simmer for 10 minutes for others to infuse, like other lemon juice and fresh coriander to infuse. I don't have fresh coriander today, unfortunately, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my stash. So I always keep frozen coriander in my fridge freezer. I've got frozen bags. I'm going to just use that today, which is equally good. Fresh is always better. So I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And I'm going to use fresh coriander, frozen today. Give it a mix. Throughout, I have cooked it on medium to high heat because cooked chicken doesn't take very long to cook. So I've left it on medium to high heat. So when I've done all the ingredients, I've put everything in now, I'm going to leave it on simmer for literally 5-7 minutes. I'll show you the final result. Right, here's my Charsi Karahi simmering away for a good 5-7 minutes. Absolutely done. You can see oil has separated nicely. There's still enough gravy in there. The chicken has cooked to perfection. And there you go. Your Charsi Karahi is ready.